up?
Shit, all right, here we go. All right, good morning, Straight Up Driven. Back in another beautiful day. Here with some of our closest friends, enemies, I don't know. We haven't labeled them all yet, but we're gonna go have some fun. You're gonna see some new faces. We're gonna check out some new cars.
Yeah,
where are we going this morning?
Well, we're doing this R8 / exotic drive.
Hey, I'm seriously pissed off. We just got to the meeting spot. He didn't call me this morning, and we're neighbors. We're neighbors.
I knew you'd be here.
We could have drove together. All right, out of all the Audis, look at this color. It just stands out. Carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber sides, the spoiler, carbon fiber. Out of all of them, right now this is my favorite. We're gonna see if we can find a better favorite. Porsche Targa. Just history, where we've come from to where we've gone. I don't know if I fit in this car. It'd be interesting to see if I could fit in this car. Gotta do it. Had to do it. I couldn't help it. It's like one of those things. Neutral. That was a good big old flame. All right, guys, here at San Clemente Cars and Coffee. We're gonna, normally we're just hanging out with our cars and with our group, but we're walking around, we're trying to see some of the other cars, meet some of the new people. Just met a guy, he didn't want to go on camera, so we're gonna respect his wishes, but he rolled in the first convertible Spider 765 LT McLaren, first one in US to be delivered. And it has got a custom paint with special, hopefully Sky can show you the special color effect. That it's got like an orange pearl in it. He's got the Senna seats, full carbon fiber package. Incredible. He just got delivered last night. First drive, he comes to San Clemente Cars and Coffee. But this car is just absolutely unbelievable. Just saw the 765, one car down. Now it's the Lamborghini STO. Don't get to see these cars too often, especially together, but man, the STO with the black, with the engine cover, with all the lines, the vents, just a beautiful, beautiful car. All right, guys, it's just getting better and better. So now we've got the Ford GT, 0506 Ford GT, which we also have one, the white with red, but this is a special color combo. Look at that color, get that color. I've always had a soft spot for 68, 69 Camaros. It's just one of my favorite classic cars. Look at how clean that is. That is just one of the cleanest engine bays I've seen. Beautiful car. All right, number 2 765 this morning to San Clemente Cars and Coffee. But this one's the coupe. It's not the Spider, but the incredible hood scoop. One of my favorite features about the 765. Nice blue. My favorite feature right there. Favorite feature. So since the 720 is probably going to be going bye-bye here in the near future, is there a 765 in Straight Up Driven's future? There might be. We just got to wait and see.